panibagong unboxing series. So it's been a month since the last time na nakapag-upload tayo ng ating unboxing video. And this time, we will be unboxing another set of One Piece anime resin figure. This time, we have WM Studio Hercules Nika. Guys, hindi pala siya it's been a month, but it's been almost 3 months since the last time na nakapag-upload tayo ng ating unboxing video. So, it was last March nung nakapag-unbox tayo ng ating first ever resin action figures, which is the HB Studio, the Roronoa Zoro. So, nandito na siya ngayon guys sa ating glass cab. And of course, nandito na din lahat yung mga ating na-unbox from the time na nag-start po tayo ng ating YouTube channel. So, ngayon, ito na yung pangalawa na ating resin figure. So, medyo natagalan din po tayo makapag-upload dahil sa matagal dumating yung ating mga pre-orders. So, meron pa tayong ini-expect na 3 action figures na resin. So, this time, unahin na muna natin to na WM Studio Hercules Nika. So, by the way guys, itong i-unbox natin na action figure is na-place natin yung ating pre-order this year. To be specific, last January, and yung estimated time na marirelease siya is by second quarter. So, tamang-tama naman since last May yung arrival niya sa Philippines. And na-deliver din siya same month. So, yun. Check natin kung anong laman since meron daw po itong freebies. So, sa packaging naman, I guess okay naman yung magiging figures natin. Wala naman siguro itong magiging damage considering na may brown box naman siya. And ito na mismo, naka-wrap lang siya ng plastic cover. So, tingnan natin kung ang laman niya as an additional protection dito sa ating figure. So, ito siya guys. So, we have WM Studio. Okay, tanggalin na natin ang ating brown box. Okay, so this is it. Okay. So, I guess ito ang ating freebies. Ayan. Wala tayong idea kung anong laman nito. Since, yun nga, most of the character are in Chinese. So, meron lang ditong English, which is get better. And, dreams come true. Ayan. So, another dream come true naman po ito guys, since additional sa ating collection na mga action figures, in which resin. Ayan. So first, meron tayong, I don't know if this is teaspoon, but yes, meron tayong made up of ceramics. So, may kabigatan din siya. So, ano kayang partner dito? So this is it. Teaspoon, I guess. And okay. So ang ating WM Studio Hercules Nika comes with a free mug. Ayan. So kahit hindi tayo mahilig sa kape, ayan. Meron tayong mug which is the Monkey D. Luffy. Yung itsura niya dito ay chibi, no? Yung kanyang awakening form. So, this is the front or the detailed ng ating mug. And yung sa likod niya, yung cute version naman ng ating Sun God Nika. Ayan. Ayan. Tara, kape. Kahit hindi tayo mahilig sa kape. So, itong ating freebies. And para naman sa ating main action figures, so ito ang ating WM Studio frontang box. Ayan, while One Piece Nika. And of course, ang ating actual action figures kapag na-unbox na natin. So ito ang ating Hercules Nika. So hopefully sana mayroon siyang Devil Fruit. So tingnan na lang natin kung mayroon. But sana mayroon talaga. Aside sa nakuha nating freebies. So yan. So ito yung i-expect natin kapag na-unbox na natin. So, meron hulog. So, WM Studio. Kaso walang nakalagay kung ilan yung ginawa lang nito, kung ilan yung ni-release nila, at kung pang ilan tong nagawa. But, yan. Okay, para sa ating first layer, we have ayan, so protected naman siya ng foam plus itong napaka-soft na kung ano man tong types of materials. So it adds protection sa ating action figures. First is, okay, I guess this is a base. So this is the base. We also have the arm. We have the effects. So another effects naman. And oops, the straw hat. Let's check. And yes, meron din siyang Devil Fruit. So ito naman guys ang kanyang mukha. And I don't know if meron siyang alt face, but let's check na lang. Then, so I guess ito na lahat ng kanyang parts. Double check lang natin. Yes, ito na lahat. So, yun nga guys, this is going to be the last parts ng ating action figures. So, we have the main body ng ating Hercules NICA. Okay. So, ito guys, ang kanyang main body. Again, our parts ng ating action figures, the main body, the straw hats, yung mukha, yung right arm, and the base, and of course the effects. So wala siyang alternative head, kaya as is tayo dito kung anong nakikita natin dito ngayon sa parts na ito. So this time, i-assemble natin siya, and yun nga, we've already installed yung isang effects. So susunod na natin itong body parts niya. So I don't know if this is magnetic, but dito, compared doon sa nauna natin yung resin figures is magnetic siya. So dito naman, parang may mga pin or maliit na bakal siya na kailangan ikabit dito sa ating base. So let's try. Alright. So, ito na ang ating main body installed sa ating base. Next is yung kanyang effects. So, dito naman sa isang effects, I don't know if factory defect siya, but nawala yung pin na kailangan ilagay dito para ma-secure talaga na mailalagay natin yung effects. So, considering na wala yung pin, na-install naman natin siya. So, next is yung kanyang straw hat. So, dito siya. And, of course, ang kanyang mukha. And lastly, ang kanyang right arm. So, this is it guys, ang ating WM Studio Hercules NICA. So, yung ano niya, yung actual size niya is pang WFC. So, estimated mga 12 cm yung height niya. And of course, ang ating devil fruit. So, install lang natin itong saan ba ito nilalagay? Let's this one. So, ayan. Yung kanyang devil fruit na pang Looney Tunes yung effects. Kung makikita nyo naman sa kanyang mga mata, no? Ayan. siya. And may pangdikit naman, kaya hindi pa siya totally malalagay talaga natin ng maayos. But this is it, ang ating WM Studio Hercules Nika. And of course, it comes with a free mag. So ito ang kanyang authenticity card. And there you have it, guys. Once again, ang ating WM Studio Hercules Nika. This is it, guys, ang end ng ating unboxing videos. For more unboxing videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell para stay updated ka sa ating unboxing videos.